Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2017 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Come see the car for yourself.